The next movement we're going to be going over is the overhead press. And really the four things that we want to focus on are the grip, the lats, the abs, and the glutes for this movement. So thumbs length away from the smooth part of the bar for your grip. You want to pull yourself towards the bar to make sure you're even. I like to take a split stance to get the bar off the ground. From there, knees are going to be locked, glutes squeezed, lats engaged, abs engaged. Press overhead, pull it all the way back down. So what I mean by lats and abs, pulling down is going to activate the lats. Keeping your rib cage down is going to activate your abs. And then you're still looking for a little bit of extension from that T-spine to get the bar overhead.